Hello, welcome to Proggy. So you have installed Firefox in your brand new PC and now you want to get rid of all ads which are coming in the websites. So you obviously know that you need to install an ad blocker. So you have come to the right place and let's do it. First, you will have to go to the settings of Firefox by clicking on this icon and going to settings, and here you will find extensions and themes. Click on it, and from here click on this particular link, addons.mozilla.org. So this will open up a new tab. Sometimes you can find your extensions here also, but it's better to go to this particular page. Here there are two methods basically to find your ad blocker. You can scroll down and you can see a lot of recommended ad blockers, but I will recommend you to directly search in this address bar, or sorry, search box. Let's type ad blocker. Don't type ad block, type ad blocker, and let's click on search. So now you will get the results, but it is sorted by relevance. So I will recommend to sort it by the most users, because generally that is the best one. And I think so without a question, UBlock Origin is one of the best ad blockers available in the market now. So how to add? It's extremely simple. Just have to click this button, add to Firefox, and that's it. You have installed your ad blocker. Just click on add up here. So let us check whether this works or not. Let's go to USA Today probably. And how to know that whether the ads are really getting blocked or not. So you can go up here and click, and it will show you the number of elements which it has blocked in this page. And if you want to really check, let's do one thing. Let's duplicate it, and then let's stop that blocker by clicking on this particular icon, and then let's refresh. So I think so the ads are getting loaded now. Yes, it is. You can see the banner ads up here and down here, but when the ad blocker was running, they were absent. So uBlock Origins and the ad blocker is working. Great. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in a new video soon.